Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Depends on what device you're using, and search for this app named Auto Clicker. You find lots of apps like that. Let's install this one. As you can see, I have already installed it. So let's go ahead and open this app and see how can you use it. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and here it is. It's gonna look like this. First tap on OK and give permissions to this app. Tap on Installed Apps. Tap on Auto Clicker and then enable the first toggle right here. It should be turned off by default. Just turn it on from here. Once you're done, you can go back to the app and you can use it now. So first, it's very simple. Just tap on Enable. The first one. At the top you get these two buttons in the screen. Once you do that, just go ahead and quit from this app completely. Now let's go ahead and open Roblox. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and wait for the app to fully load up. Open the server that you want to be AFK in without getting kicked out. I'm going to use Please Donate. As you can see guys. Again, we wait for the server to fully load up, and here it is loading up. Now from here, let's drag this circle, this blue circle, to the jump button that should be at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, simply tap on this triangle. It is the start button. Once you tap there, the app will generate jumps or clicks on the jump button automatically, and you will never get kicked out of the server like this. So that's basically how you can AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.